Alright, yo, what's good, y'all? It's Yuno Stann here back with another video. And in this video, we are reacting to Yuno Marr Time for the money. You already know how this go. I'm not gonna do too much talking. Let's get right into the video.
I just did a backflip off a tree. I just hit my Don't talk to me if it's not about a check. I can get your bitch pussy but no, I can't fuck with her cause I know she a I saw somebody's kids on my taxes, so you know I'm about to get a bag. I just got my
I ain't about to hold y'all. What, bro? Like, what is Yuno Marr trying to sound like? Like, I'm hearing 3 different animals in one sound. I'm hearing a goat, a dolphin, and a goat. Like, I don't know. He's trying to sound like something. Like, he's trying to be the goat so bad he sound like one.
money back today, so I slapped the nigga in the face with my wrist. I just did a backflip off a tree. I just hit my Don't talk to me if it's not about a check. I can
Wait, so, bro, if you hit your neck, bro, if you hit your neck, you shouldn't be rapping right now. Matter of fact, that's probably the reason why he's making those noises. When he did that backflip and landed on his neck, it did something to his voice to make him sound like this. But like I told y'all before, Yuno Marr isn't a real person. He's from Cartoon Network. I've been trying to tell y'all this for the longest. He's from Cartoon Network. I don't even know how he got in our world.
Get your bitch pussy but no, I can't fuck with her cause I know she a I saw somebody's kids on my taxes, so you know I'm about to get a bag. I just got my money back today, so I slapped the nigga in the face with my wrist.
Yes, sir, he sure is. But anyways, this has been Yuno Stann with another reaction. Yuno Marr Time for the money. If y'all like the video, leave a like down below. Peace out, y'all.